Okay, so this is a short video for Neko, Neko, who asked me to comment on my "Can you use a GoPro with a teleprompter" video. He was wondering how much I had to crop in using the GoPro, or if I even had to crop in. So I made this little video just for him, so here you go. So the first video that's going to be up, the first video that's showing, is the actual footage that I used in that video after I cropped it, just so you can get an idea. This is what it looks like in that other video. I'll leave a link to it down in the comments. And this next bit is the actual raw GoPro footage. As you can see, it's got a very wide field of view. You can see the the canvas cloth that is used in that teleprompter. You can actually see the teleprompter where it holds the smartphone in the bottom, and then you can see a lot more of my office, my very messy office, in the background. And lastly, this is the last little bit of this is just going to be the two side by side, so you can see how much closer I looked in the crop footage versus the raw footage from the GoPro. So hopefully this was helpful for you, Neko. Appreciate you watching. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.